Animals in the forest. Have you ever been to a forest? Forests are usually full of plants and grass, all kinds of trees, sometimes mushrooms, and sometimes you'll find a stream or river. Forests are also the home of lots and lots of animals. What kind of animals can you find in a forest? Chipmunks are one of the smallest animals in the forest. They can be even smaller than flowers. You may see these furry animals on the ground looking for food or eating. You might also see a chipmunk in a tree if they are trying to hide from something. A raccoon is another furry animal that lives in the forest. They look like they are wearing a black mask on their eyes and have black rings on their big bushy tail. Raccoon paws are similar to your hands and help them to hold things and climb trees. There are many kinds of birds in the forest. They are all different sizes and shapes. Have you heard birds singing? If you listen, you can hear them whistling to each other. Owls are a special kind of bird that live in the forest. They usually sleep during the day and wake up at night. They have big round eyes that help them see in the dark. You may hear their hooting noises at night. Fish are animals that live in water. If a forest has a stream or river, you may see fish swimming there. Fish are special because they can breathe underwater. Around a stream, you may see frogs. Frogs are animals that usually live near water. Here are some other animals in the forest. Bears are big animals. Rabbits are smaller animals. You may have seen rabbits hopping around in your own backyard. They have long ears that are very good for listening. Skunks have long black and white fur and huge fluffy tails. When they are scared, they spray a smell to defend themselves. And there you have it. These are some of the animals you might find in the forest. Which one is your favorite? Animal Forest Game. Play a game about animals in the forest. Play. Click on the animals to hear their names. Frog. Bird. Raccoon. Bear. Fish. Play. Which animal is the color green? Frog. Great. Which animal can fly? Bird. Great. Which animal looks like it is wearing a mask and has rings on its tail? Great. Raccoon. Which animal lives in water? Fish. Which animal is the biggest animal? Bear. Great job!